Welcome to TRADES-EDC. EDC built for the trades. Which trade? HVAC for 10, 11, almost 12 years now. And today, we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at a headlamp with a twist. That's right, this here headlamp was sent to me by Brinyte on Amazon. The company reached out, requested that I do a review on this headlamp right here. Feels a little heavy. Feels a little solid. There's no moving parts. It's just a solid box with a heavy feel. Let's freaking go. All right, so this is, as stated, the Brinyte HC01 Noctua. I must admit, what makes this a special video is I genuinely don't have a headlamp. I use flashlights, clip-ons. That's my thing. I love clip-on flashlights, magnetic. I feel like, well, maybe I don't even need a headlamp. I've never considered a headlamp until today. So here we go. First, let's get this sucker open. It's a decent cardboard. You ever get a product that has that thin packaging? It feels flimsy. Not that it's a bad thing if it was recycled box or anything, but sometimes they're just not even trying. It looks like it tried. All right. Okay, so here we go. Look at that right there. I already love what I see. Huh. Well, matter of fact, let me just do this. There it is. So we got, looks like some instructions. We got a Type-C cord and the product itself. Oh, look at that, it came in a little beautiful little house for the headlamp. And here it is. Let's see. Take that off. That way you can take a good look. Now, if it's like most electronics, I'm gonna have to charge it first before really using it. But we know what's in the box. And this is exactly how it comes. This is a headlamp with a twist. See that? Have you ever seen anything like that? If I'm the only one that hasn't been, sorry for living under a rock, right? But that's not it. That's not the twist. The twist is on the retract. You turn that dial there to fit for either a huge head or a smaller head. And you just pull to adjust. So this looks a little too big for me. Let's I'm gonna turn it maybe right there. I'm assuming that's the size of my head. So let's see if I'm right. So what do you think? I think it's built for the trades. Feels hands-free. I'm not even thinking about it. I know that there's something on my head, but it doesn't feel like something that's cumbersome. This does feel like it has an adjuster. I can pretty much adjust. So as you can see, it feels exactly like what I didn't know that I was looking for. So I'm gonna wrap it up. I love that. I don't know about you, but I think that that is probably one of the most innovative ways to curl a head strap. And try it out. The light does have two buttons on the top, and it does have a picture, let's see, of a lock. Let's see if you can see that. A headlamp with a twist. I'm gonna put this sucker to charge, and we're gonna come back later. All right, so we're back with the Brinyte HC01 Noctua headlamp. The headlamp with a twist. And when I say twist, I really don't mean there's a twist. Lights start charge up. Now, there are 3 bulbs in the front. I don't know if you can see. You got a main light and 2 auxiliary lights there, which is pretty interesting. And I'm gonna go ahead and press those 2 buttons to unlock. Now, we have lights. Okay, down here is the port for the charge, the Type-C. And look, this is a fully rotatable, 360 degrees. Yeah. Now the light itself, you've got 2 buttons, 1 button there, 1 button there for the big light, and another button there for 2 small lights, which makes sense. I mean, if you're wearing something on your head, you don't want to be dashing between the modes on how they look. So dim the lights, just a pinch. Give me 1 second. Let's put this back on. Let's use the twist. Like that. Ooh, a little too much. A little too much. That's okay. That's okay. The headlamp with a twist. All right. I think this is a good size. I think we sized up earlier, you know, and this is the size for me. Okay. All right. So we're. And you know what? It opened up. Light will adjust itself on your freaking head. All right. So let me stop glazing this light, even though it deserves absolute glazing at this point. Let me dim the lights. Get a little down. Okay. So here we go. We're gonna start off with the main light. There it is. All right. There's the main light. Let's hold it down and see if it gets brighter. I'm just assuming it will. Yep. In the world. Let's hold it down again. Let's see how much brighter it gets. Ooh. Now we can count. Let's do it again. Even brighter. Holy crapola. All right. Let's go. All right. And back to low. So as you can see, what that was, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many light settings was that? A good amount. All right, so say goodbye. Now we're gonna go to the auxiliary light. And that's the auxiliary light. Holding down the same auxiliary light, the same way as the main light. We're gonna go through those modes, so to speak. And all I'm doing is just holding it down for 2 seconds each time. Yeah. So like every other flashlight, when you hold down the button, you know, you go through the different light settings, so to speak, as far as brightness modes. So let's see. And then back to low. So now I'm gonna double tap this. I'm assuming we double tap to change the color. And I was right. There's the red. You know, I love a red light. Many devices don't give me brightness with the red light. So I'm rooting for this. Let's see. I'm in heaven. 2 settings. I'm not gonna complain about 2 settings, okay? But see, you're not getting the same amount of settings with a red light. You just don't. And there you go. There is light. The light that adjusts itself, literally, while it's on your head, at least. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna take it with us onto the field.
Neighbor knocked on my door, telling me my services might be needed. His AC wasn't working, and I always told him, you can knock on my door anytime, whenever. And lets me use the light, and here we are, using the red light right now, auxiliary, but I think I might need a better light. That way I can get more of a clear vision. So I'm gonna switch modes and use the main light. Here we go. We're gonna make it a little bit brighter. And here we go. Now we got a full visual. Now I can take a look at this guy's coil. This filter's decent. Make sure there's nothing on the coil. Quick little coil inspection there. I can already tell he's probably got a clogged drain. And fortunately for me, there's a service port for the drain right there that I can utilize. I brought my handy Milwaukee vac. Don't leave home without it. And we're gonna eliminate this problem in a few seconds flat. With a simple connection here. Let's move these wires. The visual is great. This light is super bright. I see everything, and I see what I don't see. All right, so let's get a good connection. I'm gonna hold it there. And that should do it. AC should come on 3, 2, 1 right now. And there we are. Mission complete.
This is amazing. This is amazing. I'll tell you what. I'll leave a link to this light in the description if you want to get your hands on this same exact light. Same exact light will be in the description. Get yours today. The Brinyte HC01, not Tuma. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this little headlamp journey, please smash that like button. And if you work with your hands, but think with your tools, subscribe. Join the TRADES-EDC tribe. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.
And don't forget the code. It's not that hard. Tools, readiness, access, durability, efficiency, safety. If your gear speaks that language, you're already one of us.